Alright guys, I'm back with another video. Here's a new product from Andis, the Profoil Lithium Plus. Now the major difference between this and the original Profoil is that this has a stand. So we all have used cordless clippers, mostly walls, magic clips, and 5-star seniors and wall chargers, and a lot of the times you run out of power because you didn't plug them in. So the main importance of this guy is as soon as you're done cutting hair, you just throw it on the stand and it starts charging. So far so good. It's pretty much cuts like the original, but it always has power because you place it back on the stand. It's not laying flat on your station. It does have a soft rubber grip, which is a plus, and it feels a lot better, more comfortable in your hand. Definitely won't slip out. A lot more tactile than the original. So if you're in the market for a new shaver, definitely has a lot of power, and the stand is the major thing here. So it keeps your station clutter free, and also you always have the juice because you put it back where it needs to be. Alright guys, that's about it. Thanks a lot. Subscribe.